Exceptional finish begins with proper preparation. Begin by inspecting the surface. Remove dust, loose particles, nails, and any imperfections. Make sure the substrate is solid and clean. Apply a compatible concrete sealer over the plaster or render coat. Apply the first coat using a rounded-edge stainless steel trowel. Maintain an even thickness across the entire surface. Once the first coat has set, apply the second coat. Work continuously to achieve a consistent texture. When the material begins to cure, lightly mist the surface IKAL CHUKUM water. Gently wipe it with a clean sponge to remove excess moisture and prevent watermarks. Finish by passing the rounded-edge trowel over the surface. This compacts the material and enhances its natural texture. After curing, the surface reveals the authentic beauty of IKAL CHUKUM. Natural, elegant, timeless,